Hey everyone, it's Yulia from Cordless, and today I'll walk you through the core call center performance metrics available to you in Cordless Insights. Here we're looking at the call center performance and agent performance styles that show data including handled call composition, call answer rate, waiting time, average talk time, and much more. These core metrics are only the tip of the iceberg of Cordless Insights, as you can see. But it's a good starting point to understand where your team stands so that you can start using this data in your KPIs and use it to inform your strategic decisions. Now, especially if you look at the call center performance metrics, some of them are also available in Pulse, but the key here is that you have greater control over that date range and phone numbers if needed, for which you actually can display the data. So you can change the date range to anything you want, really. And you can also select if you want to see some insights for a particular phone number. If we want to dive deeper into the call center performance, we can, and we can see this data visualized for the period you've selected, and you can compare it to the previous period, which would be displayed as a gray line, which makes it easy to understand how performance for different metrics has changed over time. And by the way, if you're unsure how some metric is calculated, you can always go to this help link where we explain in our data dictionary how each data point is actually calculated. Now, similarly, you can also hone into the agent performance section to get hold of metrics that are related to the individual user performance. So handled calls here, for example, are not the same as total calls in the call center, but these are actually calls that have been handled, aka they have been answered by either agents or the target who they've been calling. You have a line graph here as well, visualizing each of these metrics with a comparison to the previous period, same as with call center performance, and also a table with a breakdown of these metrics for each team member, which you can sort alphabetically or by any metric that you would like. And of course, for each of these kind of reports, you can easily export a CSV file and manipulate this data further, use it in your analysis or anything else. And I think that's it for now. To learn more, look out for other feature overviews or book a demo with us. And thanks for watching.